Hey guys, welcome back. Steel MS180C here. What I'm going to show you today will apply to all small engines. What I want to show you here today is how to remove a spark plug cap without popping out that little clip inside. You know, the little clip that always comes off and it's a pain in the you-know-what to put back on. This one is stuck on and I have a feeling if I keep yanking on it, that's what's going to happen. So what I'll do right now is show you how to do that correctly without that pin coming out of the spark plug wire. Okay, so I've already tried to remove this and it's like really stuck on there. So what I'm going to do is grab my scrunch here with the slotted screwdriver at the end, and I will just hug it against the spark plug like that. And I will keep pushing up by hugging the spark plug, but when I get at the top here, I'm actually going to hit that clip. And I'm going to grab the clip and force it out, and then it's not going to put pressure on the clip to make it come off the wire. And by the way, this is the clip I'm talking about. And that clip is located right here in the spark plug boot, and this part here is attached to the wire. And it often pops out, and then some people have a hard time putting that back in. Okay, here we go. See, that clip is stuck on the plug there real tight. So where I am now, right at the top of the plug here, I am underneath the clip. So technically what I'm doing here is I'm reaching right here underneath the clip, and then I'm going to pop it off. There we go. And you can see the clip is in there, it's intact, it's still connected to the spark plug wire. Alright, so I put a new plug in the saw here. If you want to make it easier for yourself next time, you can use some dielectric grease. You can just grab a little bit here. You don't need much, just put it around the top of the plug. Maybe a little bit on the porcelain. And then just push it back in. It'll make it a lot easier next time to remove that spark plug cap. Alright, thanks for watching guys. Save yourself a lot of hassle by doing this simple procedure. If you liked the video, please hit the like button guys, and make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Have a great day.